Hi. Let's paint a monster. Let's hope I can stay in frame.
A smile. There's you with a smile. He loves trick or treat in the summer heat. Knock on every door, then he comes back for more. Purple tail swish, making everyone wish they could walk his way and steal the day away. He's the one in the middle, still raising the fun. Blue toes on his forehead and a grin in the sun. Little monster, he's the happy one. Little monster, summer ween sun. Little monster, candy in his palm. Scares you with a smile. Scares you with a smile. They say he looks strange, he just laughs it off. Red eyes, kind soul, never acting tough. Middle of the pile, middle of the crew. He don't need to fit, he just does him too. Middle monster, he's the happy one. Middle monster, summer ween sun. Candy in his palm. Scares you with a smile. He's the happy one.
I think he's done. I think he's done, people. I think this one is done. Wow, look at the iridescent deliciousness, which I dirtied again. Wow, look at that tail. I'm gonna call it done, and we're gonna stop this one, and then I can start the next one. Happy Summerween!